let's be real, Canva is awesome. You can design just about anything with it, and you don't need a degree to figure it out. But if you are ever scratch your head wondering how to stick a YouTube video right into your design, I'm here to help you. Here is a step-by-step video tutorial guide that's as easy as making toast and less likely to burn. Before you even open Canva, you need the video. Head to the YouTube, find the video you want, and copy the URL from the top of your browser. Just hit Ctrl+C or Command+C. Done. Now pop over to your Canva design, click on the part of the page where you want the video to go and press Ctrl+V or Ctrl+V on Mac. That's it. The video appears like a guest showing up exactly on time. You can drag it around, resize it, or even rotate it if you are feeling artsy. It acts just like any other design element in Canva. You can move it, stretch it, or make it the star of your page. But sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe the paste trick didn't work. No problem. There is another way. Look at the left-hand toolbar in Canva. Scroll down until you see apps. It's usually near the bottom. Click that. Then type YouTube into the search bar. Click the YouTube app that shows up. Now you got two options. Search for video using keywords or paste the YouTube link right into the search bar. But you should know that the full URL doesn't work in this app. So you must use the end part, which is called the video ID. And Canva usually likes that better. Once you find your video, click it. And now it drops right into your designs like it was meant to be there. Now that your video is sitting on the page, treat it like any other image or text box. You can resize it, move it, rotate it, and even add borders, stickers, or other Canva elements around it. You can also add a frame or place it inside a mock laptop or photo screen. It will look professional in no time. I think adding YouTube video in Canva is a game changer. Whether you are making a class presentation, a pitch deck, or a social media post, having video right there makes it a way more engaging. It surprised me how easy it was. And I have tried other tools that made it feel like I needed a rocket science degree just to embed a video. Canva skipped all that. Just paste and search, drag and drop, and you are done. Just one thing to remember, Canva doesn't actually play the video inside your design, but when someone clicks it in your shared project or presentation, it opens in a new tab. So embedding a YouTube video in Canva is like putting peanut butter on a toast. It just works. It's quick, it's useful, and it makes your designs come alive. So next time you are working on a project and you want to wow your viewers, toss in a video. It takes 2 seconds and looks like you spent hours. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more Canva tips.